Welcome inside this stunning modern residence. Today, we're taking you through a beautifully designed 4 BHK luxury home spread across an expansive 4,000 square feet with a total value of approximately 8 crore rupees. This home isn't just about luxury you can see, it's about comfort you can feel the moment you step inside. As soon as you enter, there's an immediate sense of openness. The wide entrance foyer sets the tone for what's to come. The ceiling height feels generous, and the natural light flowing in instantly makes the space feel calm and inviting. The flooring beneath your feet is premium marble, polished to perfection, reflecting light in a way that enhances the home's overall brightness without ever feeling cold or overwhelming. Moving forward, we arrive at the main living area, and this is where the home truly begins to impress. The space is large, open, and thoughtfully planned, yet it still feels intimate and welcoming. The seating arrangement is designed to encourage conversation, making it perfect for both everyday family time and hosting guests. The neutral color palette creates a timeless base, while soft furnishings, textured fabrics, and carefully selected decor pieces add warmth and character. One of the standout elements here is the feature wall behind the seating area. Designed with a mix of wood paneling and subtle accent lighting, it adds depth and elegance without drawing too much attention to itself. In the evenings, the warm lighting transforms the entire room into a cozy, upscale lounge-like space. What truly elevates this living area is the connection to the outdoors. Large floor-to-ceiling glass doors allow natural light to flood in throughout the day, making the room feel even larger than it already is. These doors open onto a private outdoor space, perfect for morning coffee, evening relaxation, or simply letting fresh air flow through the home. Flowing seamlessly from the living area is the dining space. Designed to comfortably seat 8 people, this area feels both elegant and functional. The dining table sits beneath a statement light fixture that adds a touch of drama while maintaining a refined look. This is a space made for long dinners, celebrations, and meaningful conversations. A sleek crockery unit and built-in bar nearby add practicality while enhancing the overall aesthetic. From here, we step into the kitchen, a space where modern design meets everyday usability. This is a fully modular kitchen finished in premium materials, with clean lines and a clutter-free appearance. The cabinetry offers ample storage while maintaining a sleek look, and the countertops provide generous workspace for cooking and preparation. Integrated appliances blend seamlessly into the design, giving the kitchen a polished, high-end feel. Lighting in the kitchen has been carefully planned to ensure the space feels bright and welcoming at all times. A separate utility area is tucked away neatly, keeping the main kitchen organized and functional. Whether you enjoy cooking daily meals or hosting elaborate gatherings, this kitchen is designed to handle it all with ease. Now let's move into the more private side of the home, starting with the master bedroom. This room is designed as a personal sanctuary, a place to relax, unwind, and recharge. The size of the room allows for a comfortable layout, with space for a king-sized bed, bedside tables, and even a cozy seating corner. The color palette here is soft and calming, creating a peaceful atmosphere. The bed is positioned against a custom-designed headboard wall, finished with premium materials and soft lighting that enhances the room's overall warmth. Large windows bring in natural light while maintaining privacy, making the space feel bright during the day and serene at night. Attached to the master bedroom is a spacious walk-in wardrobe, designed with both style and functionality in mind. Every section has been carefully planned to offer ample storage while keeping everything easily accessible. The master bathroom continues the luxury experience, featuring high-quality fittings, elegant marble finishes, and a spa-like ambience that turns everyday routines into moments of relaxation. Moving on to the second bedroom, this space has been thoughtfully designed as a guest bedroom. It feels welcoming, elegant, and comfortable, ensuring that guests feel right at home the moment they step in. The design remains consistent with the rest of the house, maintaining a cohesive look while still allowing the room to have its own identity. The attached bathroom features modern fixtures and premium finishes, offering both style and comfort. The third bedroom is perfect for children or younger family members. It's bright, cheerful, and functional, with smart storage solutions that keep the room organized and spacious. The design balances playfulness with sophistication, ensuring it can easily adapt as needs change over time. Like the other bedrooms, it also includes an attached bathroom finished with high-quality materials. The fourth bedroom has been designed as a versatile, multi-purpose space. It can function as a home office, a private lounge, a hobby room, or even a personal gym. This flexibility makes the home future-ready, allowing it to evolve along with your lifestyle. The room maintains the same design language as the rest of the house, ensuring visual harmony throughout. As we walk through the home, one detail that consistently stands out is the lighting design. From recessed ceiling lights to accent lighting highlighting walls and textures, every element has been carefully placed to enhance the home's architecture and interiors. The false ceiling designs are subtle yet impactful, adding depth without overpowering the space. Another highlight is the sense of balance throughout the home. While the materials and finishes are undeniably luxurious, the design never feels